Hey guys, back today with another unboxing video. Today is February 5th, 2021. So we got two boxes here, got them today. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Okay guys, so you can see I opened the boxes. This is the larger one here on the left, and it's bare root. So this one here on the right is the shorter box. This one feels like it's in a pot, so let's see. Yeah, it feels like a pot. Okay, so put it over here. So this is box number one, the small box. All right, let's pull out this second one here that's bare root, if I can with one hand. Woo. Tall one, guys, tall one. That's why it's in a long box. Okay. Right, so, let me move the box out the way. So we got two plants here. This tall one, can't tell what it is, need to look at the tag. So let me take off the netting on both of these, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I untied the netting on top. Let's go with the big one first. Ooh. Why they put this netting on here? I feel like I'm damaging the leaves. Okay. It's nice. A lot of branching here. Okay, let's see what it is. You can see there it says Longan Kohala. Okay, large size. You can see here it says air layered. I guess the scientific name is Euphorbia longana, but it's a longan or longan, and the variety that I have is a Kohala. Okay, because I believe there are like 4 or 5 other varieties besides this one, but this is the one that I wanted because this is the one that I heard is most cold tolerant for my area. So I went with this one. Anyway, that's the Longan. And this is a 7-gallon tree. That's why it's so tall. I believe these get to about 15 to 20 feet high, but you can prune them back to, I think, 8 to 10 feet. Okay, so you could keep it at 8 to 10 feet, which is good. All right, let's do this one. Okay, not so crispy like last time, but let's look at the tag for you guys that don't know what this is. It's the Annona squamosa variety. Wait, focus, camera, focus. Annona squamosa variety Thia Lessard. And it says green sugar apple. Okay, So for you guys that don't know or haven't seen my previous video, this sugar apple is my replacement from the other one I had 3 days ago. This one looks better. It's not crispy on top. So we'll see what happened with this one. But it should be okay. The other one should be okay too, but like I said in my other video, I had to snip it down like halfway because the whole top was damaged. But anyway, this one looks good, and I can't complain. Okay, that's my sugar apple. And again, this is my Kohala Longan. And I will be potting this up either today or tomorrow morning, because I have to get some supplies today. So we'll see if I have any sunlight left. It could get done today. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. See you in the next video. Bye.